I can't hear everyone. Yeah.
Hi Uma, how are you?
I'm good. Hi.
Hey
You
Huma.
know what? You guys have to speak up because we can't hear you properly.
Yeah.
So it's better if we speak up one by one because there might be too much noise on your side then.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Cool.
So why don't you tell us about yourself?
Could you
That's a
start
tough question
introducing
always.
yourselves one by one, please, so that we know who we are talking to?
Sure. So should I start?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Aman Alam, and I'm from Lucknow, currently at home, work in Bangalore, and a big fan of Kunal Kapoor, now for Huma Qureshi also. So that's why I'm here, so that two Qureshis can talk. That's all.
Yes, you did tweet about that. Hi.
Two Qureshis and a Kapoor.
Yeah.
But Qureshi is actually cute. The click, like really cute.
Qureshi.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Qureshi Kapoor.
Qureshi.
Sounds like a
Qureshi,
French
yeah.
name.
Qureshi and Kapoor.
Ah, sorry. Hey, how are you?
Aman, you have anything to ask? Aman, you wanna ask us something?
No, I don't have anything specific to ask. Just wanted to see you live.
If anyone has
Anyone has a question or
I
something?
am Rahul here. I want to ask something. I'm
Hi,
Rahul.
Rahul.
Hey, Rahul, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm a big fan of Uma and I saw her in Gangs of Wasseypur and the only reason to watch the movie was Huma Qureshi. The expression which you're having is just really awesome and you're better than all the actors in Beaton currently.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Thank
Okay,
you.
I have a request. Can you just recite a dialogue from the Gangs of Wasseypur? The dialogue in which you said, "अपनी अम्मा के साथ ही जाओ ना sir."
I can do it if Kunal agrees to the scene.
Oh, I don't know the scene. How can I do
It's
it?
the hand scene. Permission मांगने वाला.
I haven't seen that.
No, we'll probably do a line from our next film that we're doing together, which is Love Shafte Chicken Kurana. Yeah, we can do a dialogue for you from there. Is that okay?
Yeah, that would be totally
Yeah?
fine.
Which dialogue? Yeah.
Which one do you want to do the scooter वाला?
मैं तो नहीं आया था तेरे पास. तू ही आई थी अपनी फ्रूट एंड नट लेके.
हाँ तो
हाँ, तो उस वक्त अगर ना बोल दी होती मैंने तो फ्रेंड रहते हम लोग.
वैसे दिमाग मेरा ही खराब था.
खराब था क्या है तेरा दिमाग?
नहीं, दिमाग मेरा ही खराब था. तू जो मेरे घर के बारे में यूं मंगती की तरह घूमता था वो
जा
क्या
जा
था?
जा किसी और की फालतू बातें ना मुझ पे मत चिपकाया कर.
हाँ, सही बोल रहा है तू, सही बोल रहा है. साले 10 साल में देखो एक बारी थॉट नहीं आया कि फोन कर दूं, बता दूं कि जिंदा हूँ.
अब तो बता दिया जिंदा. अब क्यों बता दिया?
Great, it was really great.
So we hope that you like that scene, like this scene from our film Love Shav also. It's quite a funny scene. When you see it, I guess you'll enjoy it more. So,
I had seen both of you about Wasseypur 1 and Wasseypur 2 and the class of acting which you gave was really totally awesome and you resembled a bit with Madhuri Dixit. So what's your review on that? Have anyone said prior to me also that same thing?
sorry, I can't hear you. What?
Have anyone said that you resemble with Madhuri Dixit?
No, I don't look like her at all. I think I was made to look like her in this film. It's like a huge compliment. I'm a Madhuri Dixit fan myself. So it was a huge compliment. But there's only one Madhuri Dixit fan.
And what Chicken Kurana is all about? Means,
What is Chicken Kurana all about?
what would be basically?
Well, Chicken Kurana actually, the movie is about a lot of things. It's about this character that had run away from home 10 years back, and he's settled in London now. And now he's in trouble there, so he has to come back to the family he had deserted and stolen from. So it's also a coming of age story. It's also about family and the value of family in your lives. And it's also about this magical recipe called Chicken Kurana, which is now gone missing. And the whole family is now looking for it because it's the recipe that made them famous, the Kurana family famous, and it's also about love shove.
Yeah, it's about love and shove.
It's also about like lots of
We're
stuff.
constantly pushing each other away.
Okay, so
That's a powerful film.
the recipe for Chicken Kurana would be revealed on Friday itself, no?
Sorry?
This Friday would be the recipe for chicken khunarana would be revealed finally.
Yeah, finally you'll know what goes into chicken khurana.
2nd November.
And
But just be very careful when you're using the
recipe.
recipe. Once you know what goes into it.
Why?
Just, I mean, you should use it with a little amount of care.
Oh, I know why you're saying that.
Hi,
You're
Uma.
saying that because वो recipe is so magical. अगर आप किसी को खिला देते हैं, तो that person does whatever you want.
The person to do. So
you have
just
so
be
much
like
power
really
in
careful.
your hands, imagine.
Hello, Kunal.
Hi, Uma.
Hi guys. Can you speak up a bit? Is that Samir?
Hello, I'm not able to see any video.
Hello.
Oh, you're not able to see any video.
Hello.
Now? Sorry, that is
Hi, Uma.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
And we can see you as well.
Yeah.
Do you know what ingredient we have suggested for your chicken khurana?
What?
What have you
We'd
suggested?
love to know.
Yeah, I have suggested ice cream. Do you know?
Ice cream.
In
Yeah.
chicken?
Well,
Ice cream in chicken?
I mean, that's not what goes into chicken khurana, but it'll be interesting to try it out.
Yeah.
Love Shab the ice cream khurana.
Chicken ice cream. Well, chicken and ice cream.
That was the answer I got to menu.
Chicken te ice cream.
Yeah, today someone actually made a recipe, like a chicken dish, which is like the best chicken dish in Bombay, which is actually achari chicken with chole. It was in this recipe he got from a friend of his from Pakistan. So it's like it's got the masala, and it's got chole from Punjab, and it's chicken to
But we're going to try this recipe out, this chicken with ice cream recipe.
Yeah, I'm not right.
Now there was a
I think
movie.
it will not go now. It's like chocolate with mint. I don't know the chocolate.
So does anyone of you cook?
Sorry?
Do you guys cook?
Does anyone of you cook? Really?
Yeah, we both cook, but really badly. I can speak for both of us.
Yeah.
I can boil egg.
I can make omelette.
And I can also make Maggi and
That,
French fries.
that
can
is
make
for a
food.
high life.
And hot coffee. And tea.
Yeah, we're rather limited in our.
Can't hear anything.
Yeah, but in the film you had an advantage.
I had an advantage because I play a really bad cook in the film. So it was perfect casting.
And I had a disadvantage because I had to play like a good cook and I had to teach him. And I can't. I'm trying to sort of chop pyaz, onions, and I'm like horrible at it. Somewhere there's a lot of noise at your end.
Whom are you from? Hey, right?
I can hear it sounds like like a Muzaffar doing a real story. Really? Okay. Atma Ram, do you have any questions?
Yeah, how is the promotion going on? How much hit it would be?
How much of a hit it would be? I mean, I hope it's a big hit. But you know, it depends on people like you and people who watch it. And I hope you guys like it. So how big a hit it's going to be, you know, is very difficult to tell. But I can tell you that it's a film that we are really proud of. I'm usually very critical about my films, but you know, this is one thing that I'm really proud of.
Okay, I want to know they like what age of you right now, right?
And one of them is John Abraham.
yeah.
Do you have any questions? You've been around for quite some time.
Hi Kunal, this is Nidhi.
Hi Nidhi.
I really like your work, and I mean you're very good looking as well.
Thank you.
So we want to see more of you. You've been, out of movies for a long time. Why is this, gap?
Well, you know, I'd like to be seen more often as well, but unfortunately what happened is the sort of scripts that I was looking for, I wasn't getting. And the last whole year has gone into Love Shab the Chicken Khurana. You know, working, putting it together, getting Anurag on board, getting Huma on board, you know, putting the movie together and stuff. So the last 1 year has just been about Love Shab the Chicken Khurana. But I'm going to be seen more often now.
Definitely, we want to see more of you.
Thank you. I
So
will be seen more often.
2-3 times. To see more of him at the moment, he's Love Shab like 3-4 times.
No, the promos are very promising, so I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's a fun film. I think you'll enjoy it a lot.
You guys like
Hi, Uma. I have another question for you. Uma, your father is running a few restaurants in Delhi, so you seem to be foodie type of person, isn't it?
Hello.
Hi, Uma.
I would like to ask if vegetarians also can enjoy the movie. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
We're not able to hear you, Kunal and Huma.
Hello.
No, I don't think. Can you hear us now?
Hello,
Yeah,
Huma.
yeah, yeah.
Huma.
Yes, yes.
Now you can hear us? Okay.
हाँ, so
Yes,
actually
yes.
chicken is just incidental क्योंकि पंजाब में लोग चिकन खाते हैं बहुत सारा, लेकिन पिक्चर का नाम लव शाह पे पनीर खुराना भी हो सकता
I
था,
cannot say anything or any video is not visible.
लव शाह पे आलू खुराना भी हो सकता था. I mean कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो वेजिटेरियंस बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं पिक्चर को. वो चिकन तो है just a
And
metaphor for a lot of other things. Cooking is a metaphor for a lot of other
Okay,
things, and
thanks.
पहले तो हमने सोचा था पिक्चर का नाम लव शाह पे भिंडी खुराना रखेंगे, लेकिन फिर हमने चिकन खुराना पे सेटिंग किया.
But what do you prefer, bhindi khurana or chicken khurana? Are you
Vegetarian, so it should be paneer.
पनीर खुराना.
पनीर खुराना.
आपके लिए हम लोग स्पेशल वर्जन बनाएंगे.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Huma ma'am. I like your smile.
Thank you, Rashi. Thank you so much. You also have a lovely smile.
Thank
Your
you.
screen is a little blurry, but I can just make out a big
The camera is clear. I want to ask, what's the movie all about? What's the story?
The story is about, it's about this recipe that's lost that the head of the family knew how to make, and it's the most amazing chicken dish in the world. And now the recipe is lost. And Kunal's character is a brat and a fraud who has gone away. He's run away from home, and now he's come back after many, many years. And he's trying to find the recipe. And all of us are helping him in some way to find the recipe.
It's also about family, and it's also about coming back to your roots. How that is really important.
Kunal, there was a movie few years ago called Run, in which the characters was served kawa biryani instead of chicken biryani. So is there something like same instead of the chicken roe fat, something like that?
You've had kawa biryani, you said. What is it?
No, there was a movie few years ago called Run, in which the character was served kawa biryani.
नहीं हमारी पिक्चर में कौवे का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, लेकिन उसकी बिरयानी बिल्कुल नहीं बनती.
Kawa is a live character in the film. There's no biryani of the kawa. Oh, you got confused because in the poster, the center is the kawa, niche is like the center is the murga, and the niche is the crow, right? That's why. But the kawa is a very real character in the film.
Can you just read? Okay, so I just want to make a little thing is that guys, those of you who are watching this but can't be part of the video chat, just click the name of the video, which is Hangout with Huma and Kunal, point below. Yeah. Once you do that, type your questions to the right, and we will answer your questions. And of course, you'll have to log into your YouTube account as well. So those of you that want to be part of the chat and can't, just send in your questions and stuff.
Hello, Kunal.
Yeah.
I'm Mahesh.
Hi Mahesh, how are you?
I'm fine. I have a question for you.
Sure.
Why didn't you act in any movies for the past 2 years?
Well, why didn't I? I actually did a film called Dawn 2. Uh,
Yeah.
the only thing is that I've been, I haven't been around for a really long time, as in like doing interviews, been in the press, because the last film that I did interviews for was a film called Lamha.
Yeah.
So because I haven't been around in the press for a long time, people assume that I haven't been around. But I've been very much here, and in the last 1.5 year, all my energy have gone into Love Shab the Chicken Kurana. Like I said,
But
I had a sort of hand in putting it together. So all our energies have gone into putting this together and shooting the film, and now bringing it to you in a week's time. So
Sir? Hello?
Rashi?
Hello?
Yeah, Rashi.
Actually, my mom is a big fan of Sunalka and today's her birthday. She wanted you all to wish her.
oh sure, where's your mother? Is she around? Can we see her?
Can we
Yeah,
sing her? We'd love to wish her. We'll sing for her also.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
birthday.
We all can
You
sing
can
her.
just
Yeah, come on.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday, dear
dear
Auntie.
Rashi's mummy.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you.
सॉरी हम बहुत खराब गाना गा रहे हैं आपके लिए but wishing you
दिल से गा
very
रहे हैं हम
happy
लोग।
birthday. हाँ दिल से गा रहे हैं
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great year.
Kunal, I read somewhere that you are a trained pilot. Is that true?
Well, not completely trained as yet. I'm still training to be. It's something that was a hobby of
I'm
mine.
not flying with you then.
I'm sorry.
I'm not flying with you then.
Nobody's flying with me right now. But soon enough, I'll be a trained pilot soon enough, and I'll get my license soon. Then maybe I can take one of you guys for a flight.
Please take me.
I will.
Yeah, but he promises and he's not like I don't remember like you haven't taken anyone for like a
No, but I have to get a license. I can't take people for a ride. I can take people for a ride, but I haven't taken people for a flight.
ride.
Yeah.
Great.
Why can I can
For a ride, basically.
Yeah, bilkul, like a
basically like
ride.
wobbly
Yeah.
one.
Actually, Huma Qureshi can take people for a ride on the scooter. As long as you don't want to, as long as
Okay, so
as long as you come, the thing with Huma Qureshi is you ask her to ride the scooter sitting, but she comes back lying down. And she does wheelies and splits, but she doesn't intend to.
I'll tell you what happened. In the city, I ride a scooter, like a scooty. So I learned how to ride it in about 6 hours, which is really good, right? And from point A to point B in a straight line, I can sort of ride it fairly well. But these guys were expecting something else from me. They thought I was some sort of Schumacher. Like I could, go really fast. I could take turns. I could ride in the fog over Keychard and everything. So, and in one of the scenes in the film, I'm supposed to ride with Kunal sitting behind me, almost like someone standing behind me. And I ride, I stop, we do the scene, and then I'm supposed to turn it back and take it वापस. So, अब scene खत्म हुआ, वो सब वहाँ तक ठीक हो गया, and then I was turning it, so I fell. And Kunal is running and instead of helping me, like, up, he's laughing. He's like, oh, you fell, lag gayi.
That was my way of making her feel comfortable, actually. Like, it's okay, it doesn't matter, happens.
They were laughing at me, yeah.
But I should get a bravery award because I had to sit behind her after she had learned in 6 hours. And I can assure you, even if it's a girl that's as pretty as Huma Qureshi, you don't want to sit behind somebody that's learned riding a scooter 6 hours
But
back.
Kunal, I mean, you're blessed with such long legs. You will never get hurt because you will just be like sort of always. You can always stand, I guess.
Like balance.
Just like balance
And
yourself.
of course, the scooter can get past it.
Sorry?
Aman, can you repeat the question?
So riding a scooter is really tough, I know. Not just playing a prank. Riding a scooter is really tough. It's a commendable job if you did.
Thank you. I'm glad you think so. That I did a commendable job.
Well, she's going to take you for a ride the next time.
Yeah.
I'll find out how commendable it feels.
I think
No worries. I would love to apprehend enough people to be comfortable.
You'd love
You'd love to?
I said I would Yeah, because I've trained enough people how to drive scooters and motorcycles, so I'll be comfortable.
Good, so you can train Huma Qureshi as
So my
well.
next film, if I'm riding a scooty, we'll call you.
And once she's trained, just let me know so that in case I have to sit
I
behind
think
her, I
next
know.
time Kunal has a film with me, put in the contract. No scooty scenes.
No scooty scenes and no
scooty
cooking scenes.
No cooking scenes also. Because both things we can't do.
Oh.
Can you drive a scooty?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Oh, yeah, you can. But it was really funny because when we were doing the scene, so in the shot I drive till the point and we had to go back. If you had to take a retaker to go back. So we would change positions and Kunal would drive me back and give me the scooter and then just for the shot I'll drive it again. It was
Actually,
actually
two mom
really
also
funny.
can't ride a scooter.
Oh yeah.
I was stuck behind two people that
Oh,
can
yeah.
ride scooters.
There was another character in our film, Titu Mama. You must have seen him in the promos. He's a little mad Mamaji in the film. He's brilliant. So he also cannot drive a scooter and Kunal had to sit behind him as well. He also learnt in like 2 days. I think.
He learned in like half an hour. It's a record on this film. 6 hours and half an hour.
And then I won. Like,
No, he beat you hands
he
down.
beat me hands down.
Hello,
Like,
Huma.
if there's somebody new joining us, just introduce yourself, no?
Hey Gaurav,
Very good questions from you.
you've just joined in. You're saying something but I can't hear you.
Huma, which are upcoming movies and why is the name of Love Shack Chicken Khurana so unique?
Why is the name? Someone's asked us, Sayesh has asked us that why is the name of Love Shakti Chicken Khurana so unique? So there's a story behind it. Kunal, you want to tell them? Because since Kunal has been involved with the film for like a really long time and he was a bouncing board for all the ideas and why so it was actually called
Sir,
Love
webcam नहीं चालू
Shakti
अभी?
Band Baja. Well, the film was actually initially called Love Shav the Band Baja. And Love Shav is, in Punjab, everybody says Ishq, Wish, Khana Wana, Pyar, Vyar, everything's 2 words.
Chicken Wicken.
Chicken Wicken Khalo. So that's how Love Shav came about. And Love Shav is
Good,
really about
good.
romance in the film. And Shav is also Lash. In Hindi, they say Shav, like a Lash.
It can also be the English shove, which is like shove
Shove
off,
as well.
like Huh.
So it's a lot of
triple
things.
meaning film.
And chicken khurana obviously is this magical recipe that the whole family is looking for. So that's how Love Shav the Chicken Khurana came about.
Hello, Huma.
Hi.
I'm Mahesh again.
Hi, Mahesh.
Can we expect Gangs of Wasseypur 3 from you?
Wow, I think you should ask that question to the director Anurag Kashyap whether he wants to make a Gangs of Wasseypur part 3. I think part 1, part 2 से उसका पेट भर चुका है. So I don't think, as far as I know, there's going to be a part 3. But yeah, you should always pass on that idea to him. You never know.
I think it's a little too late because Anurag has got domesticated now. He's making a film like Love Shav the Chicken Khurana,
Yeah.
which is a family film.
webcam
And has
एमरो नहीं
humor and is
देखा
not dark.
हमरा
Yeah.
देखा था
So I think Anurag Kashyap has now been domesticated. And I doubt you'll see a Gangs of Wasseypur
Part
now.
3, yeah. He'll make probably Love Shav the Chicken Khurana
Part 2.
Yeah.
Then we can make Love Shav the Paneer Khurana film.
Yeah, actually. Paneer Khurana, Bhindi Khurana. You can even change the surname. Have Sehgal, Qureshi, Kapoor.
Qureshi.
Yeah.
Bhindi Qureshi.
Bhindi Qureshi. Can you imagine?
Love Shav the Bhindi Qureshi.
Rajma Khurana.
Which is the best song you like, Huma?
From the film, I love this new song. It's I think the video is just released today. It's called Motor Wala. It's a really groovy track.
Okay.
You do it, na?
पढ़े की खावे असली तो बात कर शिट चिड़िया की भरना जा साफ कर कि औकात रे दे दू मात रे छोर है दूंगा पटक.
And then it
Wow,
goes like,
great.
Well, it's a very cool song. You should just YouTube it right now and watch it as well. It's a really cool song.
Yeah, I will hear it. That's good.
And both Kunal and I have done this really cool dance. We're trying to be really cool in the song. It's very different.
The video is just out today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uma, I wished I could date with you someday.
Sorry, what?
I wish I could date with you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You can date with her now. We'll all leave. You can date with you.
Come back.
We can all leave the room for you.
No, but that's really sweet. Thank you. Which it takes a lot of courage to say that from so many people.
Sure.
While shooting the movie, which is the best part you enjoyed while acting?
Well, I can tell you it was a lot of fun making the film because the movie is about this mad Khurana family, and all the actors playing the mad characters were even crazier than the characters. So it was a mad bunch of people that came together to make this film. But what was not fun was eating all that food here. Because when you're doing a food film, you have to eat the same thing over and over again in take after take. So by the time you get to the 10th take, you don't want to look at that food and you have to make it look good. So there was one scene where me and Titu Mama, we ate 40 jalebis between us. And Titu Mama is convinced that he's got diabetes. And he doesn't want to look at jalebis for the rest of his life, and neither do I.
Uma, I'm Rahul, an aspiring actor, and I want to know, where did you learn to give the perfect expression and give perfect timing? I want to know, from where did you learn?
Where I learned what?
Giving perfect expression and perfect timing in all your shots.
I don't even answer that. No,
She was born like that.
No, I don't give perfect timing in perfect shots. I think I've just directed very well. I get good actors to work with, so I think they just make me look good.
Such modesty.
Well, I was also born with it. No, but I'm glad you think so. Please keep watching all my films. I'd love to know what you think about Love Shav also. And you can follow me on Twitter. I'd love to know what you think.
Give me your contact number, I will reply with my
I'm sorry, I can't give you my contact number. But you can definitely follow me on Twitter. Okay, you have more questions here.
What is the meaning of kikli? Somebody wants to know what kikli means. Kikli is this thing that they do in Punjab, it's like in Mumbai we call it pugdi.
Haath pakad ke,
You go round and round. That's what kikli is. So that's where the song comes from. It's actually an old folk song called Kikli Kalerdi. And Amit has taken the folk song and he's given it a spin. And he sort of reinvented the song. So kikli is this pugdi that you do. That's what kikli is. Did you play pranks on the set?
No, we didn't play any pranks. No masti we did. We were working very hard, hai na, Kunal?
Yeah, it was a crazy set. I mean, there were lots of pranks that were played. I remember me and co-actor of mine called Bagga, Rahul Bagga. He plays my brother in the film called Jeet. And we pretended like we were drunk. And we started hitting on all the women and all the men on the set. So the women freaked out and the men got even more freaked out.
Kunal, I'm looking for a break in Bollywood, so what should I do for the same?
What should you look for the same? Where are you? Which part of the world are you at actually?
I'm in Indore, MP.
First you have to come to Mumbai to get a break in Bollywood.
No, first he was in theatre. Why are you calling him to Mumbai?
No, I'm assuming that he's already an actor. Are you already an actor? Are you acting already?
I'm working in theatre, but I've not got a Bollywood break till now.
Who are you working with?
Hello?
Who are
I'm
you
working
working
in
with in
theatre
theatre?
in Indore
Are you
itself,
in
in my
Indore?
city.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I want to ask you that at the end of the movie, do you get the recipe of chicken khurana?
That you'll have to watch.
Do you get the girl? Do you get the recipe? Do you become a good boy? All those answers you'll get to know at the end of the movie.
Yeah, you won't be disappointed. Don't worry, we won't take you on a wild goose chase and tell you there's no chicken khurana. You'll know what the recipe is at the end of the film.
Do you like happy endings, Rashmi?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a very, very happy one.
Yeah.
All the characters go home happy in this one. So I'm hoping the audience goes home happy as well. Here's one.
Yeah, he's saying, na? Yeah, we can't hear him. Are you talking to us? What's his name? Oh, his mic's not working. Oh.
Uma, which
I'm
one
with
was
the chat.
in which
Gaurav.
one was better experience, Vasipur or
Hey Gaurav,
Gaurav, we can't hear you, but you can send, and we can see your lips moving.
but we can't hear you.
So you can send us, you can type in and send us your questions.
So in case you're asking us a question, we can't hear you.
We're very curious, and your hand is also on your mouth, so we can't even read your lips. Kunal can read lips.
Come on, Gaurav, go for it
say
now.
something.
Let's see if
Hi.
we can read your lips.
Let's also talk like that. Kunal.
Yeah, hi, Gaurav.
Kunal.
How are you?
Okay,
Okay,
write
write
on a piece of paper and
hold
show
it
it to
up.
us. So it'll be fun.
Gaurav, can you hear us?
You can hear us, I'm sure.
So can you write it on a piece of paper and just show
And
it,
just show it to
hold it
us,
up
like,
to us?
like a placard or whatever.
हाँ, पेपर मिलना हमेशा मुश्किल होता है घर पे.
पेन भी नहीं मिलता ना, पेन चल भी रहा है.
जब पेन की भी जरूरत होती है तो वो भी नहीं मिलता.
जैसे हमारी फिल्म में
Try Burfi style.
सब ढूंढ रहे हैं. See?
लेकिन मिल जाती है.
किसकी वजह से?
You have nothing to do with finding the
Of
recipe.
course I do. I'm the reason.
Rubbish.
Of course. The
I love
inherent inspired. Huh?
Dude, you know what it looks like? You're pointing to me right now. That's a little like scary.
too much?
I know, but your finger was going towards
This
me.
direction.
I love you.
We have more questions from
For you.
Ashok.
Eid Mubarak, how did you celebrate?
Eid Mubarak to you too, Asif. I wanted to go home and spend time with my family, but I have not really done anything on Eid. So रात को I planned to sort of celebrate it with my family and my brother and make something nice and eat something at home and get Eid also. This Eid has been little alone because I'm not with my family and I'm missing them a lot. So I know, but
Okay, there's a question for me.
I want to read out this question. I love this question. Okay, Rajni has sent this lovely question. Thank you, Rajni. Kunal, you are so tall, but you are lean. Why don't you beef up?
Why don't I beef up?
question.
मैं शर्ट उतारूं क्या?
हाँ.
दिखाऊं क्या?
Kunal, Kunal.
Well, I'll beef up when the role requires it. I mean, if there's a role that comes up where I'm required to beef up, I'd be happy to do that. But right now, the roles I'm playing are guys that are really regular and normal. And, it'll be really strange to be a regular guy with like this big ass body. So when the role comes up, I'll beef up for sure.
But Kunal, why are you so tall? That is
Why
also
am I
the-
so tall? That's the question.
That is the main mudda. And how important, Ashok is asked, is food in your life?
How important is food in our lives? Very important, yeah. I mean, also it's strange that in our country, where food is such an important part of our conversations in our lives, we've never had a film that's about food. So I was in Amritsar recently, and by the time you finish breakfast, they're already asking you what you're going to eat for lunch. By the time you're done with lunch, you're being asked, "Khane raat ko kya khaoge?" So we're always talking about food, and in a country like this, there's never been a film around food, which is rather strange.
Kunal,
आपकी डाइट मुझे लगता नहीं आपकी हेल्थ को देख के आप टाइप ऑफ पर्सन है.
Kunal कुछ नहीं खाते.
मैं हवा पे जीता हूँ भैया.
ये love and fresh air and protein shakes.
ये क्या है? ये
What is that? उल्टा पकड़ा हुआ है आपने. उल्टा है. अरे
equal.
उल्टा है. Equal, sequel.
Actually, हम भी उल्टा हो रहे हैं. Sequel to Gangs of Wasseypur.
नहीं क्या है? LEUQ. Sequel उल्टा.
Sequel to what?
Sequel to what? Sequel to Love Shav? Yeah.
Equal to Vasipur.
Sequel to Vasipur तो मुश्किल है, but sequel to Love Shav बन सकता है. क्योंकि जैसे कुणाल ने बोला ना, हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर है अनुराग कश्यप वो सुधर गए हैं, है ना? Good idea ना? We also agree. Love Shav पे चिकन खुराना और
नहीं,
Love
chicken
Shav
खुराना
पे
नहीं. It's
पनीर
like we
खुराना.
said, Love Shav the Bhindi Qureshi for the vegetarians.
Love Shav पे कोफ्ता कपूर.
Kunal,
हाँ भाई कहाँ है तू? हाँ.
How would your life be without chicken?
How would my life?
The question should be, how would your life be without chicks?
Well, without chicken, I don't know. I was vegetarian for 3 years, so it's not the end of the world. I mean, it's pretty much the same. But I think life without chicken khurana would be very difficult.
Yeah.
यार भाई तू क्या शिप ढूंढ रहा है?
नहीं, मैं डायरेक्टर देख रहा हूँ आपके मूवी के। कहाँ है? सिर्फ आप दो नहीं है, बाकी स्टार कास्ट का है?
नहीं,
बाकी स्टार कास्ट यहाँ पर है यार, वो
ऊपर।
अरे आ जाओ नीचे आ जाओ।
अरे ऊपर क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? वो थोड़ा शर्माते हैं इसलिए ऊपर बैठे हैं। आप पूछो, हम उनसे जवाब आपको बताते हैं। Okay, yes, something else. Gaurav is writing.
आपको हुमायूं, आपको आजकल के सिनेमा और पहले के सिनेमा में क्या डिफरेंस लगता है?
दोनों थिएटर में जाके देखने चाहिए।
टिकटें महंगी हो गई है,
टिकटें महंगी हो गई है, पॉपकॉर्न महंगा हो गया है।
एक बार चलता जब आपकी पिक्चर तो 3 चौथे वसैपुर मैंने 3 बार देखा था, दोनों पार्ट आपने
डीवीडी पे
वसैपुर।
डोंट गो टू थिएटर।
Yeah, in theater.
So your question, Gaurav, let's see your question. थोड़ा पीछे ले यार।
थोड़ा पीछे। Oh God, dish for us, vegetarian dish for us. Are you a vegetarian, Gaurav? Say yes or no. You're a vegetarian. So don't worry, you will still enjoy the film. The film has got to do about relationship, about love, and chicken जो है ना, it's just a metaphor. It's just एक way है जिससे आप story आगे लेके जाते हो. It's not only about the chicken dish. It's not only about the recipe. तो अगर जब chicken की बात हो रही है तो आप imagine करना कि ओ पनीर खुराना, ओ भिंडी खुराना, या आपको क्या पसंद है, कोफ्ता, क्या पनीर टिक्का मसाला, whatever you like, you can imagine it as that. You still enjoy the film.
Well, it really doesn't have so much to do with the chicken. The chicken is just a really small part of the film. It's about food, it's about family, it's about love, which is universal to non-vegetarians and vegetarians. So whether you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, you will enjoy the film.
Okay, so we have like lots of questions. Rajesh is asking us, will you guys want to do big budget movies like Dabangg?
Yeah, Rajesh, as soon as you agree to produce them, we'd love to do them.
Rajesh?
As long as you produce a big budget film with us, Rajesh, we'll do a big budget film.
Ayan is asking me, I hope the fact that people recognize me is not disorienting. No, actually it's not disorienting, Ayan, it's quite nice. It's really nice that someone recognizes
Why we should watch the film?
We are in it.
Well, I think it's a wonderfully nice, heartwarming film. I think it has a lot of soul. It has a lot of heart. And I think Anurag Kashyap put it best. He said after watching the film that if it's a really, really cold day and you get into a nice warm blanket and you have a cup of chai with you and some nice hot pakoras, the feeling that gives you is the feeling that this film will give you. So when you walk out, you'll feel a nice, tingly, heartwarming feeling.
Was there a lot of Punjabi things that you guys did during the shoot?
Was there a lot of Punjabi things that you guys did during the shoot?
We ate a lot of Punjabi food. We tried to speak in Punjabi as much as we could. At least you did. And we were shooting in Punjab.
Yeah, we went to all the gurdwaras there as well.
Yeah, oh yeah.
In Ludhiana, where we were shooting, also there were a lot of gurdwaras and stuff. So we went to the gurdwaras there. We were really lucky. The house that we were shooting in, which is my house, the lady behind that was a wonderful lady, and she used to cook for us and send acha makke ki roti or sarson ka saag. So yeah, all the khana pina, going to the gurdwaras, speaking the language, going to the markets there. We did a lot of Punjabi things.
It's kind of fun because although Kunal is Punjabi, but I think you've not really stayed there for that long, have you?
No, I spent a lot of my childhood there.
Like recently 2 months we were there. We were there for almost 2 months, so I think we all stayed there for the entire duration. I had never been to Punjab, I'm not Punjabi. We need to sort of go there and stay there and talk to people over there, eat local food, go to all the gurdwaras. 12 gurdwaras around where we were shooting. It was really crazy.
Headset किसका है? मेरा है क्या? Headset मेरा है? सब कुछ मेरा ही इस्तेमाल कर रहा
There's a
है।
lot of. Now you're writing
Oh
scraps.
God, Kunal, come to
R.
our
Kunal, come to R.
city. Ratlam. It was India's food city.
Oh really? I'd love to यार. I'd love to. मैं अच्छे खाने के लिए कहीं भी जा सकता हूँ. तो मैं रतलाम जरूर आऊंगा.
क्या मेरे को भी बुलाओ, मुझे भी बुलाओ. Why Kunal only, Gaurav?
और आपके घर आऊंगा मैं गौरव और आपको हमें अच्छा खाना खिलाना पड़ेगा.
I know you only inviting Kunal. It's like not fair. You too.
तो हम दोनों आएंगे
हम
रतलाम.
दोनों आएंगे फिर रतलाम.
और आपके घर आएंगे और आपके घर पे खाना खाएंगे.
अच्छा खाना बनाना प्लीज.
हुमा जी
हमसे
आप
तक करना हेल्प करना उनकी.
हुमा जी
यार
आपने
रश्मि केक तो खिला दो यार. राशि केक तो खिला दो. हमने गाना वाना भी गा लिया. अब केक तो खिला दो.
Oh, your mic is not working.
Uma ji, how was your
Rashi, your
overall
mic is not muted.
Sujata?
Yes, Rahul?
How was your overall experience for movie Sujata, the documentary which you did, and you got special jury performance award in Los Angeles?
It was really nice. It was Sujata was directed by one of the assistants from Gangs of Wasseypur, this director called Shlok Sharma. It was really nice, very different sort of a film, and very chotu film. So we shot it over 2 days, and it's nice that you make a small short film, and you get sort of acknowledged for something at the A+. So it was quite nice actually.
And how many you are endorsing currently? And advertisements?
I'm not endorsing anything at the moment. I've not signed a new endorsement deal at the moment. I'm not endorsing any new product at the moment. After Lasha releases, then I hope all the food companies will sign me up to endorse all their food products. Yeah, that's a good idea, no?
Yeah, great.
Nidhi, you want to ask us something?
I'm just waiting for the movie to come. I am a Punjabi and a foodie myself.
Well
So really
done.
looking forward to the movie.
I think everybody that's Punjabi is a foodie by default.
I think everyone who's Hindustani is a foodie.
Yeah, that's true actually.
हमारे देश में
Yeah, I think Indians just eat.
Yeah, we are
Indians
obsessed.
just love to eat all the time.
That's
They're
true.
obsessed with food.
Whether it's birthdays or weddings or any ceremony or anything, food is such an important part
Actually,
of our lives.
weddings and all the people end up going for the food.
Yeah.
मतलब शादी हो रही होती है, लाइनें लगी होती हैं खाने के बाद. कि सबसे पहले खाना कौन
शादी
खाएगा?
कहाँ पे हो रही है? खाना खा लो पहले. हमें क्या करना है?
Uma, you're looking gorgeous in black and happy.
Thank you so much. Happy
Uma-
to you as well.
Uma ji,
Keep
you are
Bharat.
currently doing the role in the. I've heard that you are doing a role in movie Ek Tha Dayan. Is this?
Are you googling me and asking
Yeah.
me all these questions?
आप क्या पूछा? No.
You are, huh? You're googling and asking me all these questions, Rahul.
I'm not googling. I'm doing saying in Wikipedia.
What?
Wikipedia is on Wikipedia.
You're on Wikipedia.
So I'm correct.
Yeah, I'm doing lots of films, but we'll only talk about Love Shabd Chicken Khurana today. It's not fair. You can't Wikipedia me and then ask me all these questions.
But I hope you are not playing the role of Dayan, please.
Why?
अरे it's natural, naturally आएगा रो. मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी.
No,
I
no,
die
no.
with you.
I disagree with Kunal in this.
Jessica asks Kunal from Rang De Basanti to
Now,
how has been your journey?
Oh, it's been really entertaining. It's been lots of fun. I've had a chance to do some very, very interesting work. And I've had a chance to work with some wonderful actors, directors, producers.
Thank you.
So it's been some wonderful, excluding some.
I think your best co-star. Say it now.
Okay, I must. No, it's been really nice. And I'm an outsider. I've never had anybody in the industry. So for somebody that's come from the outside, I think, I've had lots of wonderful opportunities. And I think the best phase of my career is just beginning now. Because I'm getting a chance to develop a lot of stuff, and there's a lot of interesting people backing the stuff that I developed. So I think the best is yet to come now.
Salma, Eid Mubarak to you too. Santosh.
Uma, do you like Delhi or Mumbai?
I like both.
Both is
Anita,
not.
I like,
Both is a very
but
political
I
answer.
like both. I'll tell you why. Because Delhi is home. It's where mama, papa, it's where house is, it's where school, college friends are. It's where like really good food. I've grown up in Delhi, so I can't like not like Delhi. But now that I've been in Bombay, I can't.
नहीं चल रहा है.
Better than Delhi. Because if you can't live in any other city but Bombay, that means you prefer
Because
Bombay.
Bombay also feels like home now. But Delhi is also home.
No, but you said that because now you stay in
Okay, if you like biryani more, chocolate mousse, you can like both, no? Both are
No,
different.
but I can choose between the two.
You can choose between biryani and chocolate mousse. No, you can't.
I can.
Of course, how can you? One is a sweet dish and one is like a main course. Okay, next question, please. Santosh, tell us some funny dialogues from the film. Which dialogues do you like best?
Oh God, there's a lot of funny dialogues. I think Darji has some really funny dialogues.
Titu Mama.
Titu Mama has so many funny dialogues.
Chachi ji.
Bakwas na kar Titu.
Yeah, I find it really funny. Every time, and she has a different way of saying it every single time.
Yeah.
Every single time she says it differently. Bakwas mat kar Titu. Bakwas mat kar Titu.
But Darji has a funny line which is in the promos as well, where he says that अपनों के सामने गैस छोड़ के प्यार बढ़ता है.
Also has a really funny dialogue in this one. Which is he doesn't realize it's funny, but मेरे को तो बहुत हंसी आती है when he says that कि मैं बड़ा शरीफ मुंडा. He says like मैं तो बहुत ही शरीफ मुंडा हूँ.
मैं तो शरीफ मुंडा हूँ यार. मैं तो शरीफ मुंडा हूँ यार.
What's the last one?
No Wikipedia question now.
No, last. It's a wiki and it's a mix of wiki and chicken khurana.
हाँ, okay, ask.
Okay, if you're given two options, to eat chicken khurana or eat chicken at Salim's Deli, what do you choose?
This is also a Wiki.
This is also Wikipedia.
But that's okay. You can answer that.
This is like Delhi Mumbai question again, huh? Like chicken Salim is dad's chicken. No, बचपन से खाया है. I love it completely. I've grown up on it. It has made me who I am. But chicken khurana is also a very very special chicken. और एक बार जो chicken khurana खा लेता है ना तो फिर
वो सलीम का चिकन नहीं खा सकता.
नहीं खा सकता है. तो फिर बहुत दिन में खाओ. तो उसका स्वाद कभी भूल नहीं पाता. So what you need to do is on 2nd November, पहले you go watch chicken khurana. Then you come to Delhi after that, go to Chicken Salim's and have the chicken over there. Then you write to me on Twitter and tell me which one is your favorite. Then we compare notes.
Amaji, I hope you remember my name Rahul Ludhani after this chat also.
On that,
I hope you...
Oh yeah.
I have seen the trailer.
ये खाना किसी घर में पक रहा है? बलने की आवाज आ रही है.
अमन, आप इतने अंधेरे में क्यों बैठे हो? अमन कुमार, रोशनी में आ जाइए.
गौरव, तेरी माइक को क्या हो गया यार?
अरे माइक हटा दे, डायरेक्ट हेडफोन से बात कर.
दीदी एकदम क्वाइट.
माइक हटा दे और डायरेक्ट हेडफोन से बात कर ले.
Wow, so many questions.
How do you think India can get rid of corruption? My God.
How do you think India can get rid of corruption?
एक मिनट ना.
हाँ.
तो शुरू से लेते हैं. Do you think 2012 has been the best year for Bollywood?
I think 2012 has been a really great year for Bollywood. There have been such great films that have come out in such different films, you know.
Yeah.
Like
There's
I
been
can't
some
even
really interesting.
like it's so difficult for you to pick out like your even top 5 favorite films because they're all such great films and what performances, yeah. Like I really think it's been like a very diverse year. Like you have really like big films and you have these small offbeat sort of films and they all are doing so well.
Yeah, I think the great thing is that there's been a lot of different sort of films, and all those films have done well. Whether it's a small film, whether it's an independent film, whether it's a large blockbuster.
Whether it has a star cast, does not have a star cast, you know, and everyone's liking it.
Sure. So I think it's been a really wonderful year, and I think it's only going to get better from here on.
I really wish Humaji you received Best Actress for this year. I really wish from
Thank you, Rahul. I wish everyone in the jury also thinks like you.
And this has not come from Wikipedia.
I know this is
Well done,
from the
Rahul.
heart. Thank you.
Kunal and Yuma, I have a question for you. Who are your personal favorite actors and actresses from Bollywood? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Just say that again.
Who are your personal favorite actors from Bollywood? Both Kunal and Yuma.
Actresses, my all-time favorite is Madhuri Dixit.
That's my favorite. He's stolen my favorite actress. Okay, Sridevi. Okay, fine, Sridevi. Fine, Sridevi. No, she's mine.
Yeah, my all-time favorite actress is Madhuri Dixit. Always thought.
An actor.
I think from the new girls, I think Priyanka Chopra I think is very good. I like Anushka a lot.
I love SRK.
And what about you, Kunal, actor?
Actor, my favorite actors are, I really like Amir. I think Amir is really good. From the older actors, I like Dilip Kumar, Amirji. These are actors that I really look up to. From the new lot, I think Ranbir is very, very good.
I think we share a lot of common favorites.
Who are your favorites?
Amir, Anushka and Priyanka from the current lot, and of course Madhuri.
Arey wow, wonderful, yeah.
My favorite actor is Amir Khan and actress is Uma Qureshi.
Arey wow. अब तो डेट पे जाना ही पड़ेगा.
मेरे तो बिल्कुल अच्छा है यार. प्लीज एक बार मिलते हैं.
Someone actually making me blush. What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
I have very regular hobbies. Like Kunal has really cool hobbies like flying planes and all. I like to read. I like to hang out with my friends. I like to watch movies. Very regular stuff.
आपको चलेगा राहुल?
Yes sir, I'm same hobbies. We are matching with. काफी चीजें मैच हो रही है.
क्या मैच करते हैं? मैच क्या करते हैं?
You like reading, Rahul?
Yeah, I read lots of books. अभी मैंने चेतन भगत की भी पढ़ी थी अभी लेटेस्ट वाला.
Yeah. कौन सी वाली पढ़ी आपने? Two States.
Two States तो पढ़ ली थी अभी इंडिया करके आया ना उसका.
अच्छा.
What Young India Wants वो पढ़ा मैंने.
हाँ. Right.
उमा जी मैं बता आपको एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. जब मैं वसेपुर देख रहा था बिग स्क्रीन पे मैं सोचा काश एक बार उमा जी से बात हो जाए काश. एंड ये यूटीवी मोशन पिक्चर ने मेरी वो भी इच्छा पूरी कर दी.
चलो अब और कुछ मांगो. काश
लव से चिकन खुराना बहुत
नहीं अपने लिए मांगो. उमा कुरैशी के बारे में बातचीत हो गई.
अगर फिल्म
सिलसिला आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए.
What is the worst thing about being an actor or a film star?
What is the worst thing? Worst thing is that यार कोई भी आपके बारे में कुछ भी लिख सकता है और कोई भी आपको कुछ भी बोल सकता है. अच्छा हो या बुरा हो. जो अच्छी बातें हैं वो तो अच्छी लगती हैं, जो बुरी हैं वो बहुत बुरी लगती हैं. तो yeah, is that you're as a person you're always sort of exposed to public opinion, and anybody is allowed to have strong opinions about you and express those opinions.
And it's a lot of hard work. I never thought being an actor was so much of hard work.
Yeah, there's absolutely no glamour.
Yeah, there's a lot of hard work you have to do.
There's only hard work.
Yeah.
Kunal, I want to say something.
Yeah.
This haircut really looks nice on you. This suits you more than your longer hair.
Oh really? Thank you so much. I'm glad you said that, and I hope the directors are listening to you as well. Because every time I wanted to cut my hair, some director comes to me and says, "Nahi,
But that's such a lie.
No,
How
no.
much you had to be convinced? Please don't lie.
No, I had to be convinced. I wanted to be like the character, but not like go like
Completely
get a crew cut.
short, huh?
But yeah,
This
I'm
is
glad.
really debonair.
Oh, good. I'm glad you're saying that, and I hope directors out there are listening to this. And I hope nobody comes and casts me as a terrorist or a poet again. कि चलो लंबे बाल बढ़ा लो, दाढ़ी बढ़ा लो, और terrorist या poet
That's so cliche. That's so cliched. I mean,
yeah.
you look nice.
Thank you so much.
भाई आपका कोई डांस है चिकन खुराना में? मैंने वसैपुर में आपका डांस मिस किया क्यों?
आपका कोई डांस है चिकन खुराना?
हम दोनों ने डांस किया ना अभी. That song is released just today, मोटर वाले.
और एक और गाना है किकली जिसमें पूरी फैमिली नाच रही है.
impromptu डांस किया थोड़ा सा. We both of us have two left feet, तो मतलब
मेरे तो 4 हैं.
तो हम पूरे डांस में हम लोग ये कोशिश करते हैं कौन दूसरे के पाँव पे ज्यादा ऐसे तेज स्टॉम्प करेगा, कौन ज्यादा स्टॉम्प. हमारा कंपटीशन चल रहा था कि who will stomp on the other's foot more. Tell us something about Titu Mama.
Yeah, Titu Mama is the funniest character in the film, and Titu Mama का ये है कि Titu Mama काम नहीं करना चाहते और वो अपनी बहन के साथ रहते हैं. So he pretends to be mad कि मैं तो पागल हूँ यार, मैं कैसे काम कर सकता हूँ. और वो सोना चाहते हैं और खाना चाहते हैं और कुछ नहीं करना चाहते लाइफ में. तो उनका बड़ा सिंपल सी फिलॉसफी है कि काम करके क्या मिलेगा लाइफ में, आराम से खाओ पियो सो. तो ही प्रिटेंड्स टू बी क्रेजी, और जब भी उनको कोई कहता है कुछ काम कर लो, कहते हैं यार मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, मैं तो थोड़ा मैं तो दिमागी तौर से थोड़ा पागल हूँ. और ये जो कैरेक्टर है वो जो सुमित है हमारे राइटर हैं, उनकी लाइफ से है. मतलब वो किसी को जानते हैं जो ऐसे हैं. और अब जब ये पिक्चर रिलीज होगी सुमित को घर से बैन कर दिया जाएगा.
ये सारे रिश्तेदारों को ढूंढेंगे कौन है जिसने हमारा ऐसे रिवील किया है, हमारा पर्दाफाश किया सबके सामने.
तो उनको वापस घर नहीं आने देंगे वो लोग.
Before acting in the film, you have heard the story.
हाँ जी.
Before acting in the film, आपने स्टोरी सुना होगा, तब कैसे लगा आपको?
जी एक्चुअली स्टोरी पे मैंने भी कुछ काम किया है. तो कहानी की जो शुरुआत थी वो मैं और समीर बात करते थे कि किस तरह की पिक्चरें बनाना चाहते हैं. तो उसके दौरान कुछ एक आइडिया निकला और वो आइडिया फिर सुमित ने लिखा. जो राइटर हैं सुमित भटेजा, उन्होंने कहानी लिखी फिर. तो अब मैं तो एक्चुअली कहानी से पहले से ही जुड़ा हुआ था. और फिर हम हुमा कुरैशी के पास गए, हम उनके पैरों में लेट गए और हमने कहा प्लीज हमारी पिक्चर कर लीजिए, बहुत अच्छी कहानी है और आपको अच्छी लगेगी तो प्लीज कर लीजिए. हमारे ऊपर
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था, ऐसे झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मन गढ़ंत कहानियां बना रहे. मेरे को समीर शर्मा जो डायरेक्टर ने बुलाया और बोला कि हमारी एक फिल्म है और आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो. और मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और मैंने अगले दिन ही फोन किया कि मुझे फिल्म करनी है. ऐसे हुआ था,
मुझे फिल्म करनी है.
Okay, so Priya Raja from Twitter says, I think Kunal is the hottest guy in Bollywood.
Thank you, Priya. I hope lots of other people think like you. And give me lots of very, very good movies.
Anirudh says, tell us about your future films.
Who are you talking to, Anirudh? I'm not sure. You want to go?
Okay, I'm doing 2 films, Anirudh, after this. One is a film called Ek Ki Dayan, and the other is a Nikhil Advani film. They both release next year.
Pablu, Huma, have you ever picked popcorn from a guy's lap in a theater?
No, Pablu, I haven't. I don't intend to.
Acha, have you ever picked popcorn from a guy's lap? Idiot.
No, I haven't. I have answered.
Best of luck for Love Shav. Thank you so much. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the film. Who thought of this unusual pairing in Love Shav?
Sameer Sharma.
Sameer Sharma, the director, thought of it. I mean, Sameer and me were, like I said, were involved in the film, and we wanted to work together. So I was part of the film to begin with, and then we saw Gangs of Wasseypur, and we thought Huma was fantastic, and we thought that she would fit the part really well as well. So we asked her to do the film as well. So so Sameer Sharma.
In fact, the first time Kunal and I met was in the sets of Gangs of Wasseypur. He had come to see our shooting and to meet Anurag Kashyap. तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि he had actually come to talk to Anurag about
Love Shav
से चिकन खुराना. फिर कुछ महीने बाद मुझे चला पता कि अच्छा आप हीरोइन ढूंढ रहे हैं अपनी फिल्म के लिए. So but that we for the first time we met on the sets of Gangs of Wasseypur.
Rashi, we can't hear you.
Rashi's gone out of frame.
Hey, invite us for on your premiere. Yeah, unfortunately, we are traveling through the country, so there's not going to be a premiere.
उमा जी आप इंदौर आ रहे हैं क्या आपके शो के लिए? एमपी में तो इंदौर ही आते हैं हर कोई प्रीमियर्स के लिए, तो आप इंदौर आने का प्लान है?
राहुल, मैं इंदौर तो अभी नहीं आ रही, ना प्रीमियर है ना कोई शूटिंग हो रही है, बस मैं आऊंगी तो आयल पक्का लेट
खास आपसे मिलने आएगी, प्रीमियर की क्या जरूरत है?
मैं मिलने आऊंगा जरा, तो भी आएंगे आप इंदौर, प्लीज आप इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए।
ये ड्रिलिंग कौन कर रहे हैं?
मैं ये शादी घर में ड्रिलिंग चल रही है।
Rashi, I think you're also going to have to pick up a paper and a pen and write down your questions.
And hold.
Yeah, finally. How did that happen?
I want to ask you all, what was the funniest moment during the shooting?
What was the funniest moment?
What was the funniest moment?
I'll tell you, one day that was really funny, where we were teasing Kunal. तब गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर रिलीज नहीं हुई थी और हम लोग रात को शूटिंग करके वापस लौटे थे टू द होटल एंड वी एंटर्ड एंड वहां पे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे देयर वाज दिस बैंक्वेट हॉल जहाँ पे शादी चल रही थी। तो कुणाल ऑब्वियसली दूर से नजर आते कि कुणाल कपूर इज कमिंग, दिस टॉल मैन, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस लाइक ऑल द असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स, मी, पीपल फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट, कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट, दे ऑल सराउंडेड हिम एंड स्टार्ट स्क्रीमिंग कुणाल कपूर, कुणाल कपूर। And हम लोग सब नाटक करने लगे ऐसे हमने जानते नहीं है और like you know he just entered and we are like going close to him taking pictures, sir autograph। तो पूरी शादी में लोग बाहर भाग के आ गए, दूल्हा दुल्हन अकेले वहाँ पे बैठे हुए एंड सारी पूरी पंडाल शादी के लोग बाहर हैं और सबने कुरान को पकड़ लिया और अंदर शादी के वहाँ पे ले गए।
और फिर मुझे शादी मतलब बहुत ही एम्बैरेसिंग था क्योंकि तब तक शादी खत्म हो चुकी थी, हम काफी लेट आए थे वापस, तो वहाँ पर शादी के डिनर टेबल पे कुछ 12 फैमिली मेंबर बैठे हुए थे और मुझे उनके साथ बैठ के खाना खाना पड़ा।
क्योंकि रंग दे
बसंती और 12 लोग थे और वो फैमिली बैठी हुई थी और उनके साथ मैं बैठ के खाना खा रहा था और ये लोग नाच रहे थे
और हम लोग डांस कर रहे थे, हम लोग फैंस। That was we like played a prank on him. It was really funny. और बोले सर डांस कर दीजिए, डांस Kunal like and Kunal is trying to act very dignified.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ 1:30-2 बजे रात को शूटिंग खत्म करके वापस आए थे और अगली सुबह कुछ 7 बजे शूटिंग वापस थी, तो मैं जाके सोना चाह रहा था और इनकी वजह से मुझे जाके
एक घंटा
किसी स्ट्रेंजर की शादी में खाना खाना पड़ा था। तो इट वाज वेरी स्वीट बट इट वाज आल्सो इट वाज रियली टायरिंग।
अगर चिकन कुराना पार्ट 2 निकलेगा तो मुझे एक रोल मिल जाएगा क्या आपके साथ?
आपको ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा। आप देंगे ऑडिशन?
आपको हम चिकन बनाएंगे।
गायब हो गए ऑडिशन के नाम पे, गायब हो गए।
ये वसेपुर 3 के लिए तो मैं बुक हो चुका हूँ आपकी नेक्स्ट टर्न में।
हाँ,
मैं अनुराग कश्यप से बुकिंग करवा लूंगा अपनी, उमा को ऋषि के साथ मूवी के लिए।
अनुराग कश्यप से बुकिंग करा लूंगा।
हाँ, मैं ऑडिशन दे दूंगा।
प्लीज लिखिएगा जरूर। You should write to him and tell him this. Gaurav, say some what hold up your sheet. Gaurav, हाँ show us क्या है?
क्या है इस टाइम आपके हाथ में क्या है?
क्या है?
उमा, you look fab in blue Google.
पीछे वो पीछे बहुत क्लोज है स्क्रीन के। You look fabulous in blue goggles and Gangs of Wasseypur. Thank you.
आपके लिए पहन लेंगी वापस। ब्लू तो नहीं है, ब्लैक है यहाँ पर।
ये ब्लैक है मेरे पास। I have my own.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे ओन। हाँ, पूरा इंटरव्यू ऐसे हो रहा है।
I don't think I can
both be like.
Yeah, like both of us should be like.
एक मिनट। Okay, you can both sit like now.
मैं बहुत चल रहा है। मोटर वाले Motor wale. I wish we had the song we could play it for them. So I can't read the book. Is there a sequel in the making? Vishal is asking.
अरे यार ये तो हमने जवाब दे दिया ऑलरेडी.
Yeah, totally. Are you like Omi Khurana in real life? ये है सवाल.
एक्चुअली ओमी खुराना जो है कैरेक्टरलेस है और मेरे में थोड़ा सा कैरेक्टर तो है. हम लोग काफी अलग हैं. और ओमी खुराना जो है बहुत सेल्फिश सा बंदा है. जैसा कहते हैं ना मीठी छुरी. अपना काम करवाने के लिए कुछ भी कर लेगा, कुछ भी बोल देगा, झूठ भी बोल देगा, रो लेगा, गुस्से हो जाएगा, आपसे प्यार से भी बात कर लेगा. तो सेल्फिश आदमी और सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता है वो.
उमा अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं होते तो क्या होते, और कुणाल अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होते तो आप क्या होते?
बावर्ची होती, बहुत अच्छा खाना पकाती है.
नहीं, शायद अपने डैड के रेस्टोरेंट के साथ कुछ ना कुछ तो करती, बट अभी मैं एक्ट्रेस ही होती यार, और कुछ आता नहीं मुझे ठीक से, खाना भी बनाना नहीं आता. तो डैड भी कुछ टाइम लगते हैं, मैं निकाल देते.
डैड के रेस्टोरेंट में अकाउंटेंट होती है.
एंड कुणाल आप एक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या
होते? आप करी होती.
मैं मुझे पूछ रहे?
हाँ
यार मुझे तो बहुत मुश्किल से मैं एक्टर बनाऊं. मतलब मैंने बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं, बहुत अलग अलग चीजें की उसके पहले, और मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया ये समझने में कि मैं करना क्या चाहता हूँ लाइफ में. तो ये आप ना ही पूछिए कि आप क्या और क्या होते तो बेहतर होगा.
ये आदमी ये हो रहा है, मैं डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
हाँ कोई नहीं यार, जब अपना टाइम लेना, जब कुछ मिले कि आपको लगे कि यार अगर पैसे ना भी मिले मैं ये करूंगा, फिर वो काम करना. उसके पहले सोचना भी मत. कोई कुछ भी बोले, कोई परवाह नहीं.
Yeah, what?
Also, the question: Are the Punjabi
अरे ये मैनेकिन कहाँ से आ गया यार?
The Punjabi
वो भी बनियान में.
Loud people as in other North-centric films.
यार एक्चुअली वी ट्राई टू ब्रेक दैट. आप जब भी पंजाबियों को देखते हैं पिक्चर में, हमेशा लाउड होते हैं, एग्जैजरेटेड होते हैं, ओवर द टॉप होते हैं. और मैं पंजाब से हूँ तो मैंने देखा है कि जो लोगों को मैं जानता हूँ वो इस तरह के नहीं है. डायरेक्टर भी पंजाब से है, राइटर भी पंजाब से है. तो हमने देखा है कि हमारे आसपास जो फैमिली है वो इस तरह की बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो हमने कोशिश किया कि वो एक जो स्टीरियोटाइप होता है पंजाबी का, वो स्टीरियोटाइप को तोड़े हम, और एकदम नॉर्मल तरीके से, एकदम नेचुरल तरीके से हमने इसको प्ले किया है. तो मुझे लगता है आपको पहली बार मुझे लगता है ऐसा कि जो असली पंजाब है वो देखने को मिलेगा.
And Aisha was asking, is this film like Hosla Ka Ghosla, and can I take my family for this? Absolutely, Aisha, you can take your family for this.
आप अपने पूरे मोहल्ले को लेके जा सकते हैं.
Because this film has no galis, no violence, no खून खराबा. It's not an A film, and it's very rare Anurag Kashyap film which does not have an A certificate. So please, अपनी पूरे family के साथ जाइए. And you're right, it's very much like a lot of people are saying that in terms of the feel, it's very much like Hosla Ka Ghosla. In terms of the madness and the comedy and everything, तो आपको बहुत चाहिए.
ईद का कुछ तो आपने हमारे साथ सेलिब्रेट कर ही लिया है, और बाकी ईद आप किसके साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे आज?
ईद तो मेरे साथ ही सेलिब्रेट कर रही हैं जी.
आज तो कुणाल के साथ ही सेलिब्रेट.
और आपके साथ?
हाँ हमारे साथ तो हो गया सेलिब्रेट.
तो ईदी भी दे दीजिए फिर. मैं आपको एड्रेस भेजता हूँ.
नंबर ही नहीं दे रही, कैसे देंगे?
अच्छा, we have someone new who's joined us. Hi, Aman Kumar.
How are you, man?
Aman, we can
see you. Can you hear us?
We don't have a mic. Aman, you'll have to do what Gaurav's been doing. You have to write something on a piece of paper and hold it up to the screen. And we can read and we can answer. And now he's looking for a pen and paper, just like Gaurav.
यार एक पेन और पेपर मिलना घर में बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है यार. जब भी जरूरत होती कभी मिलता ही नहीं.
और जब भी कोई फोन पे लिखना होता है तभी उसी वक्त पेन काम नहीं करता. It just stops. Then you like, oh, चल नहीं.
अमन तो मतलब गायब हो गया है पेन और पेपर की खोज में. भाग गया.
उमा जी, आपको वैसापुर में काफी गालियां बोलने के लिए कंपेल किया था, तो आपको फिर अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा ना उस वक्त?
मैंने तो कोई गाली दी ही नहीं वैसापुर में.
बट आपने फिर भी आपके कोस्टार्स को देना पड़ा था, तो आप ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में थे.
नहीं, बट जो फिल्म थी ना वो ऐसी फिल्म नहीं थी कि मतलब गाली को गाली की तरह दे रहे हैं. आई थिंक इम्पोर्टेंट क्या होता है ना कि अगर आप जैसे बहुत सारी जगह होती है, आप अपने दोस्त से बात करते हो, किसी फ्रेंड से बात करते हो, बहुत सारी गालीज या एफ वर्ड या कुछ हम बहुत ही कॉन्वर्सेशनली बोलते हैं, राइट? दे नॉट, यू डोंट यूज देम एज गालीज, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो वैसे ही वासेपुर जो जगह है, जो माहौल है, यू नो, उसको ट्रू उसको रखते हुए जैसे वहाँ पे लोग बात करते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स भी फिल्म में बिल्कुल वैसे ही बात करें, इसलिए अजीब नहीं लगा। जैसे लव शब्द चिकन खुलाना में ही हम लोग वैसे बात करने की कोशिश करें जैसे लोकल लोग बात करते हैं। हम लोग इस जबरदस्ती का कुछ उसमें जिंगोइज्म या कुछ डालने की कोशिश नहीं करते। आई थिंक अगर आप ऑनेस्टली वो जिस जगह की आप स्टोरी बता रहे हो, वहाँ की भाषा में वहाँ के लोग जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं वैसे करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा। जैसे आप कॉलेज रोमांस कर रहे हो, उसमें कोई ऐसे ही बात करता है, नमस्कार कैसे हैं आप, वहाँ पे कोई ऐसे बात करेगा तो अजीब लगेगा ना। यू हैव टू, the characters have to sound real, they have to sound as if they belong to that place, that's really important.
And अनुराग जी की फिल्म्स तो बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक होती है काफी।
हाँ, he makes very close to life. His films are very close to life. Like he draws a lot from real life situations and real people and actors actually.
अच्छा, मैंने एक मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट लिखी तो मुझे उन्हें अनुराग जी तक पहुंचाना, तो क्या किस मीडियम के थ्रू, मैं मेल के थ्रू पहुंचा सकता हूँ क्या?
आप उनको ईमेल पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक वो अपने सब बहुत ईमेल्स के रिप्लाई करते हैं, या ट्विटर पे आप उनको फॉलो कर सकते हैं, ट्विटर फेसबुक पे उनको फॉलो कर सकते हैं।
ट्रेलर में एक ढाबा दिखाया था, वो ओरिजिनल ढाबा है या जस्ट फॉर शूटिंग?
ट्रेलर में जो ढाबा एक्चुअली वो शूटिंग के लिए, लेकिन हमने वो पंजाब में ही शूटिंग की थी और खेतों के बीच में ये हमने ढाबा बनाया था। और हम लोग जब शूटिंग कर रहे थे वो रात का समय था और उस समय लुधियाना में -4 हो चुका था टेम्परेचर, तो खेतों में -4 डिग्रीज में हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे।
कैसे शूट करता है? बहुत ठंड होगी फिर तो।
अरे बहुत बुरा हाल हो गया, मतलब ऐसा होता था शॉट देते थे कॉन्फिडेंटली और फिर शॉट के बाद फिर शॉट देते थे, फिर काम करना शुरू हो जाते थे।
तो फायर वगैरह भी लगाया होगा रात में?
हाँ जी,
फायर,
हाँ फायर, अंगीठी, सब कुछ, हीटर सब कुछ, लेकिन कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि ठंड थी और सारा खुला था।
Ayan says it is Sameer's directorial debut, so best of luck. Thank you, Ayan. How was it working with him? यार समीर शर्मा जो है ना, वो बहुत ही क्यूट किस्म के डायरेक्टर है, बहुत ही ज्यादा अमेजिंग है। आप उनको देख लेंगे ना, वो एकदम रोलू पोलू, एकदम टेडी बेयर जैसे लगते हैं। सीरियसली मैं बोल रही हूँ, मजाक नहीं कर रही। एंड समीर, कुणाल के भी और मेरी भी, हम उनको थोड़ा टाइम पहले से जानते हैं। मैं तो थोड़े टाइम पहले जानती हूँ, कुणाल काफी टाइम से जानते हैं उनको। He's a great guy to work with, and although उनकी पहली फिल्म है, but he's been in the industry for a very long time. And वो मतलब he's worked with everybody from Aditya Chopra to Sudhir Mishra to Ram Gopal Verma. So he's worked with them as a writer, as an assistant director. So experience उनको बहुत है. So we always knew that we were in safe hands. Kunal, Philip wants to ask you.
धीरज, धीरज आपका क्या सवाल है?
No, first you will answer Philip's question.
Uma Qureshi, are you single or is it complicated?
No, first you answer Philip's question.
I will, you answer the question.
No, first you answer Philip's question. Kunal, in the promo it says you have only...
In the promo it says I have only one कच्चा, is it true? नहीं यार, वो मैं जल्दी में लाने भूल जाता हूँ, मैं यूके से आ रहा हूँ और जल्दी में वापस आता हूँ, तो कच्चा एक ही लेके आता हूँ मैं, और वो थोड़ा गीला हो जाता है, तो उस कच्चे को लेकर बड़ी डिस्कशन होती है हमारी पिक्चर में।
संदीप wants to know who is the better cook.
अरे बट भाई, धीरज का सवाल है, उमा, आर यू सिंगल और इज इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड? ये आप गौर फरमाया, और इज इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड?
I'm single. And there's no complication.
वो तो एकदम बैठ गया सीना तान के, अच्छा सिंगल, चलो फिर।
Who's the better cook between the two of us? I am.
But that's not saying much because
only marginally.
And also I'm so bad that being better than me is not a compliment anyway.
But at least something.
I'm from Shillong, and why is your film not releasing here? Oh, really? I don't know. We'll have to ask UTV that because
Why is the film not releasing in Shillong?
because they decide where the films release and where they don't release. So we have no hand in that.
Yeah, we really don't know. We'll find out and we'll figure this one out.
When actor and actresses work together, do they get attracted in real life?
Hello?
Well, depends on the actors and actresses.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
That's a good answer.
ये खाली घर क्यों है?
हाँ ये black एकदम हो गया है. What's your name?
And then we
Yeah, we're done with the questions.
We're done. Okay guys, we've answered all your questions and there were a lot of questions. I have all these questions with me. Thank you so much for asking us all these questions. And thank you so much for coming on live and chatting with us. We really had a good time.
Last. Hi. Uma ji, last one.
नंबर मैं बताता हूँ मैं.
अरे नहीं, first time in history, I'm proposing live. Uma ji, your first proposal online. Will you date with me, Uma ji?
यार एक सेकंड 5 सेकंड हाँ. यहाँ पर तो फूल है नहीं, लेकिन मैं आपकी तरफ से मैं ये फूल ले लेता हूँ. हाँ. और ये आपकी तरफ से मैं फूल की जगह उन्हें ये दे रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
जो भी है.
Uma ji accept करते हैं.
ये कुछ सॉकेट टाइप है. तो ये आपकी तरफ से.
Uma ji accept करने के लिए.
For my hair also.
मैंने अपने बालों में भी लगा दिया.
यहाँ तो उमा जी सैंडल भी नहीं फेंक सकती, नहीं तो स्क्रीन टूट जाएगी ना आपको.
No, but thank you, very sweet out. And thank you everyone for coming and chatting with us. It was really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
We love
And thank you for all your wishes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for all your wishes, Gaurav. Thank you.
I hope the movie
Thank
is super
you.
hit and Kirana should be super hit, duper hit, and it should just break all the records.
Thanks.
All the best. All the best to both
All the
of
best to
you.
the movie.
Alright, thank you everyone.
Take
Thank
care,
you
guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye, man.
Bye.